Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ida and I do cleaning and organizing videos, and today I'm gonna go ahead and unboxing a channel bags. I have two of them, but it's not gonna be one video. It's gonna be part one and part two. The first one I'm gonna show you is the Chanel handle bag that I love so much. I've been looking for it for so long, and some of you last time asked me if I can do unboxing on Chanel, so that's what we're gonna do today. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. خبركن حواتن قاعد حن متأخن لو ما عندك عني ناي شانيل بانك unboxing كنقبرينا بقدامي بزحت قبل زن حواتنا حتى كنا نيركن ناي شانيل باج برنا قليل كنا نمو كل تعينت باج يزلنا لو ما عندك كن حدا فيديو كونن كون كل تا فيديو كون بارت 1 بارت 2 سو كلتيو تعزبوا إخن زاني مجمريا زاريكن شانيل هاندل شانيل كوكو هاندل باج يعتبر بحق ناتي فيفوريت مالتي انا نوح غيزي لو مصبح كغز عند اولكم نيره اجي قاعد سيدنا علي مالتي وساقريكني. Okay guys, the first bag I'm going to show you is Chanel Coco handle bag. This bag is so amazing. I do love their packaging. The box is magnetic, it's very easy to open. This is the bag. I love the material of this dust bag. This is amazing. This is more like suede, and you can see the company name here. See the painting, I love that. That is amazing. Before I show you the inside of the bag, it comes with a gift bag, and this is the card comes with it. It also comes with a small booklet that show you how you handle your bag, how you care for it. You can see it here. And this one is the authentication card. I hope you can see it. It's a nice card. It sounds like small details, but this is amazing, you guys. Okay, put it aside. All right, time to open the bag. You don't believe what color I chose. I chose a light gray, just like more like silver. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you believe this? I love the handle. Oh my goodness, so pretty. It has a pocket here. It will fit if you have like a iPhone 6 or 5 size, the small size, but not the plus ones. I also love the color of the hardware, which is like silver. I have to remove the plastic. It's so pretty, and when you open it, it's smooth. And its side is like burgundy suede. See, this is amazing. We are going to throw this in a second. Mine is come with a silver hardware, and this is not a small bag. You have a place for lipstick here, for your phone, and everything else. Plus it has in the middle a zipper compartment, so you can put more things. It's huge actually. And then there is a third size. This is a pretty nice size bag. I love the hardware. Actually, I like to wear it. Just like this. But this one is so heavy, you guys. This is the handle. It's not too long, it's not too short, it's just perfect. I do love the color. You can see the small details. You can see here the company name, Chanel. Okay, guys, let me see. Okay, you can see. Okay, you guys, this is how it looks. I love that it has a handle, a laser handle. By the way, this is a calf laser, so it won't hurt your shoulder if you put some things in it. It can be heavy. This is not light, very light. Purse is very heavy, you guys. So pretty. I always love calf skin. If you see, it has a fit too. I love bags with a fit. It's easy to care for them, you know. It's amazing. All right. How cool is this? Most of people have this bag in black color, and I like different, and I do love silver or gray, so this is perfect. Most of my outfits are this color, so it's gonna be so cute. All right, amazing. This is the size of medium, okay? You can have like large if you want. You can also carry it as a crossbody if you want. It is so beautiful. I'm perfectly like the medium one. The handle is very strong, you guys. Okay. So كبرات حواتي زي الشانل يا مالتو شانل كوكو handle باقي زبحل medium size يو مالتو كم سريع زالخن كناتو hardware silver اقر اللو مالتو اقر زالو بورصة بتعميد فوتو عنه أبزو خانا خطا أمت عيد سكافني خا سو وشتو مسكافتنا يو مالتو وشتو برغندي سويديو سو نيشتي بورصة يكونن ما عاد نقدر تقمت لي خابسي. It has a lot of compartments. So silver كم تدبر لكم فوتو معتي ما بزحتو كداونتي جراي مالتي بتعمي جراي فوتو. So نزي مسل مالتي. When we are compared the original price to the regular price, you can see the original price. So if you guys are looking for a special classy bag, this is going to be one. This is not a cheap bag. The original is around $4,000 to $6,000. The original one. This one is a mirror image. Everything is the same. Even the laser, the calf laser, the way they stitch it and everything. And the price is almost $400, which is affordable, you know. And if you are looking for special bag, this is gonna be the one. كبرات حوات special bag class دلو تدلي لكم كونكن زي أنا recommend قبرا مالتي مني بحقي تعمي كلاس زغني بورصة مالتي دغنا زي متحزي وقع سنسلتن قربتن تحكسو ناي كستايو زي ناي بعراي قربتيو تي ليزر مالتيو بالسنسلت حوسه مو كتصب معتيو ابزعك تحنقطو كلها كيحمكا من تخا ليزر غيرو مالتيو دغنا تلي كان تليفون كنزانيش تبال التليفون تاع تخلي ارجع تعبدي كنا مالتيو سو واقو خاني تي اوريجينال كبربعة الشحك ساعة شو شيء كجرمك عمت يوسخ واقو ولا جزء خير خلقه بأربعة الشحت جزء خير عمت عملتيو عمت قالت أني حكا مش شحت شات أتقل ده خبر يزقيد زقعة ناتو ميرر إيماج مالتي لك عقمو كل حنت في اللي زي بقوله 400 قرش شات أو مالتي وأنا قركني لي واقو حصر بورصة يكونن 400 حصر هيكونن قد مستني بحق كبر مخانو بورصاتي 4 شح 6 شح 6 شح مخفل زقن affordable مالتي دقال. Okay, so if you guys are interested in any of those bags I show you or this one I showed you today, I will leave their information on the description box. Please check them out. Okay guys, if you are interested, I will leave their information on this bag on the description box. Please check them out. They also have a coupon for you. Okay, check the coupon too. Okay, كرات حواتي تلعفتي خلنا أخون كنا زغت جزء على اللي غد ناتهم information at description box. قد فالكني مسوقة coupon اللو مالتي coupon قاعد تشوكي برايك. Okay, alright كبرات. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I love you all so much. كي كبرات حواتي فتيانا أتقنا تسفن دقبركو أبز ما تكيزيك ساعة زرقك ندحن كنيا يغني لي. Bye.